Hey, what's up everyone? So welcome back. I'm afraid I got a bit of a rant today for a good reason really, and the answer to the question is absolutely not. I would not recommend you to get this WPL E1. Simply can't perform. I mean, you try to run it anywhere, the tracks will fall off. It's just not good really. What I can't understand is why would WPL actually allow it to go out to a customer knowing there is an issue, and then they brought out the metal tracks quite quick. It's an extra 20 something dollars for it. I mean, you add the actual track plus the tracks, that comes out to $87.80 to my door. Then on the other hand, you get that thing, the sg1203. I can actually pick it up for $55.25 to my doorstep. Will that outperform this? Yes, any day. Have I ever lost the tracks running on any surface? No. So there's my answer really. If you want scale look, by all means get that. Get the metal tracks. Apparently they work well. I'm not going to bother with it. It's just a pile of plastic which I'm going to put in the shelf basically. But then if you want performance and a bit more speed, because that thing is slow as anything, if you want more speed, get that, and performs a hell of a lot better. So that's my rant. Been enjoying WPL for the past 4 years, and just to prove you guys that my first WPL, I got that as a RTR. Yes, I have upgraded since, that's quite normal, but the question is, was I able to run that in any surface? Yes, I could run it on grass, I could run it on sand, muddy surface, I could run it anywhere. I mean, the performance wasn't great, but the bloody wheels never fell off. Don't like that. That's horrible. And if you guys think I don't like WPL, I do like WPL, and just show you some of my WPL stuff. So yeah, WPL has been a big part of my hobby these days, but anyway,